Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. I'm back to tell you about the best bank accounts in 2026. I can't believe it's been a whole year since my last update. It's really flown by and I'm going to tell you today about all of the best bank accounts that you can open this year. This year I was thinking about making a mid-year update of this video, so if that's of interest, let me know in the comments. And if you do want to see more videos from me, be sure to subscribe. I make lots of monthly updates of savings accounts and bank accounts and lots more, so there's plenty to see, so be sure to subscribe and please give this video a like. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and let's get into it. As always, all the accounts mentioned in today's video are linked in the description box below, and all of the accounts I'm talking about have FSCS protection up to £120,000. I've got lots of great bank accounts to tell you about today, so I'll talk you through the highlights of each one so that you can decide if it's one you want to open. The first account has been one of my top choices for several years now. This is the First Direct First account. This one is best for the switching bonus and also the customer service. If you decide to switch to this bank account, then you can get £175 from First Direct for switching, and you can also get an additional £60 from Top Cashback. So if you use Top Cashback, use my link for Top Cashback to get an extra £60, you can get a total of £235 for switching to this account. If you don't want to switch, you can still open it as a new account using my Top Cashback link, and that way you will still get £60 of cashback. Either way, it's a great deal, and like I said, it has been one of my top picks for several years because of the customer service. So the customer service is really highly rated. It remains one of the highest rated for customer service. I've switched to this account myself, had this account myself, so I can say that I do think the customer service is good too. With this one, you get access to a linked regular saver. This one pays 7% interest and you can pay in up to £300 a month. You also get free spending abroad with good exchange rates, and you can get an interest-free overdraft of up to £250. You can open this account in the First Direct app or online. And if you want to open it as a joint account, then you do need to do that online. If you do want to get the total £235 switching bonus with this one, then you do need to switch over an account that has 2 or more direct debits, pay in £1,000, and also use the debit card 5 times within 45 days to get the switching bonus. But like I said, if you just want to open the account anyway, you don't want to switch, you can still get £60, so you might as well use my link to do that if you want to. I think this is a great account overall. I think it's really important that the customer service is good because that is one of the main things that makes you want to stay with the bank. Also, the interest rate on the linked regular saver does stay competitive, and at the moment it is still one of the highest interest rates around for a regular savings product. That's all about the First Direct one. Let's move on to the next one. The next account is from IFAST GB. This is best because of its competitive interest rates on your cash in the bank account, and also its multi-currency flexibility. I'm partnered with them at the moment, but this recommendation is based on the account itself. This is one of the top accounts that I want to highlight because of the multi-currency options and also because of the interest rate that you get paid on your cash. IFAST is an FCA regulated UK bank, and your money does have the FSCS protection up to £120,000. This is a multi-currency current account, so you can hold, save and spend in 9 currencies. You get paid your interest on your whole balance, there's no limit. At the moment, the interest rate on pounds is 2.65% and on euros it's 1%. I'll add the rates for US dollars and AED on the screen. These interest rates are variable. You can also get paid interest on fixed term deposits as well. I'll leave the interest rates for those on the screen too. They're launching backs on the 16th of January, so you'll be able to make direct debits for your bills and also direct credit for your salary. Another nice feature is that you can get paid your salary a day early if you enrol for that. They support Apple Pay and Google Pay. There's no fees for overseas spending or withdrawals. They use market exchange rates for currency conversions, and the customer service is very responsive and it's quick to open an account. When I opened an account, it just took a few minutes. If you want to open one of these accounts, then I'll leave my link in the description and you can get £5 free. Overall, I think this is a great option if you want to earn interest on the balance that's sitting in your bank account, if you want to have the flexibility of multiple currencies, and also if you want to get paid your salary early. The next account is from Monzo. This is my best all-rounder account. I've been trying this account myself in preparation for today's video because I had lots of viewers and lots of friends recommend it. It is very popular. I saw that they won Best Bank at the Smart Money Awards last year. And they do have one of the best customer service rankings amongst the online and high street banks. Some of the key features of this one are that you can send payment requests to friends without having to share your bank details. You can spend abroad for free. You can have your payments automatically sorted into spending categories. They also have lots of auto-saving features and saving pots and roundups, which is cool. I always talk about savings pots on my channel because I really like them. So this is cool because you can have savings pots with this account and you can save for different things like holidays. Also, you can get paid your salary a day early too. If I do have a link for you to get £5 free when you open this one, then I'll leave it in the description. That's why Monzo is my best all-rounder. The next account is the Lloyds, Club Lloyds account. This one is best for the switching bonus, monthly rewards, and also as it's a high street name. With this account, you can get £250 for free for switching. This offer does end on the 3rd of February, but they often bring out other offers after this. So if you're watching this video after the 3rd of February, I wouldn't worry because there probably will be another switching bonus coming out after that. As well as the £250 for switching to this one, you can also choose from a monthly reward. So the options are things like Disney Plus subscription, 6 cinema tickets or a magazine subscription. There's also a linked regular saver which gives you 6.25% interest and you can save up to £400 per month. You get free overseas spending and you can get access to an interest-free overdraft of up to £100. There is a £5 monthly fee with this account, but you only have to pay that if you don't pay in £2,000 in a month. So if you're using this as your main account, then hopefully you should avoid that fee. So there's no fee if you pay in £2,000 or more every month. You can open this account online, by phone or in a branch, and the customer service is decent. And the app and the website are pretty easy to use and navigate. If you want to get the £250 switching bonus for switching to this one, then you do need to switch over an account that has 3 or more direct debits. That's all about the Lloyds one. I think it's a good option as it is a high street name, does have decent customer service, and you do get a monthly reward. And of course, if you want to switch and get £250 for doing that, then you can do that as well. The next account is the Santander Edge current account. This one is also best because of the switching bonus, and you also get cashback on bills, which is cool. With this account, you get £200 for switching, and if you use my link in the description box and click through from top cashback, then you can also get £30 extra. So it's a nice total of £230 if you choose to switch to this one. Again, if you don't want to switch your account to this one, but you just want to open this as a new account, then you can get £30 extra. So that's quite nice too. Now, this account does have a £3 monthly fee, so that's something to be aware of. You do get 1% cashback on bills though, so that might balance that out. You can get 1% cashback on your energy bills, your council tax, your broadband, your mobile phone bill. That's worth up to £10 a month. And you can also get access to a linked savings account which pays 6% interest at the moment, and that's on a balance of up to £4,000. You get free overseas spending with great exchange rates, pretty good customer service, and you can open the account online or in a branch. To keep the account active and to get access to the cashback and the savings account, then you do need to have 2 direct debits on the account, and you also need to pay in £500 a month. To get the switching bonus of up to £230, you need to switch an account with 2 or more direct debits and pay in £1,500. That's all about the Santander one. It does have bills cashback and you can get that switching bonus as well. I've got just one more account to tell you about today. This is the Chase current account. This one is best for the cashback and also for the linked savings account interest. If you're a new customer, you get access to their linked savings account, which at the moment pays 4.5% interest. A feature of this that I always mention on my channel is the savings pots, and actually you do get separate savings accounts for each category or savings pot, which I really like. and you can choose a little picture and it can help you to get towards your savings goals. I also like it because I can specifically send money to that savings pot. So say it's my holiday fund, I can specifically send it from my online banking to my holiday fund, which is quite good. You also get 1% cashback on your spending on groceries, transport and fuel, and this is actually worth up to £15 a month. After your first year, you do need to pay in £1,500 a month in order to get access to the 1% cashback. You also get a round-up account that pays 5% interest, so that means that any spending that you do will be rounded up to the nearest pound, and then those pennies get saved into a separate account that pays 5% interest. There isn't an overdraft facility with this account, so that might be a drawback for some people. There is good customer service, and like I've said before, I've banked with Chase for many years. I've had a bank account and savings account with them for a while, so I do recommend them. It is better though if you are a new customer. It seems like you do get a lot more benefits and perks with this account as a new customer rather than an existing customer. That's it for today's video. Those were the best bank accounts for 2026. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did enjoy it, please leave a comment and let me know below. Also, if you want to check out my best savings accounts 2026 video, then I'll link that above. Thank you for watching and see you next time.